So this is a package reveal of a book that is Invading Earth, and it's by Stacy McAnulty. The World Ends in April. So let's take a look at this package. So I can't read the whole thing here because of the shipping label, but it looks like a chapter book. And open the package and we get this letter. Oh, so it is the Miscalculations of Lightning Girl, but it looks like it might be a sequel. Okay, so this is a book about a 7th grader who decides that the end of the earth or the end of the world is preferable to losing her best friend to a new school and being all alone in middle school. And then this is the book. So this is actually a cover, jacket cover. Okay, so I'm going to open that. And here we have the actual book. Wow, cool. And I think that's it. So this looks great. It is coming soon. It releases on April 3rd. It is a middle grade book. I'm guessing ages 9 and up. Great. And it's got a lot of great reviews already. Kirkus Best Book of the Year, NPR Great Read of the Year, Parents Magazine Best Children's Book of the Year. So this is for her Miscalculations of Lightning Girl. And I bet this one is probably just as good. All right, great. Thank you.